Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Kichdy YouTube channel, and we are back with our next video. In this video, we are going to see the basics of using MS Word. A must know, a should know basics for anyone who is using or going to use MS Word. MS Word is an application from Microsoft which is used to create a professional looking documents such as resumes, letters, brochures, business cards, reports, newsletters, anything. So you name it, it can be created using MS Word. MS Word is one of the most widely used application in the world. Almost all the companies in the world uses MS Word as an application. So the use cases are very huge. Okay, so we are going to see the basics of using MS Word in this video. So this is the basic UI of MS Word. This is a blank document from MS Word. So writing anything in MS Word is very simple. So we'll just write something and we will go through all these functionalities, the basic functionalities of using MS Word. Okay. So writing MS Word is as simple. So you just want to use your keyboard and you can start writing anything. Let me just type it as my YouTube channel name is Tech Kichdy. Okay. Just for this tutorial purpose, I'll also copy some more content from the other document. So just Control C and Control V. Just let's include some more content into this document. Okay. So I have listed down 35 functionalities, the basic functionalities in the MS Word. So these are all those 35 functionalities. Just to make this video interesting, I have segregated the 35 functionalities into 7 parts. So in this part, we will see the first 5 functionalities, the basic functionalities of using MS Word. Okay. So we'll start from choosing font and modify font size. So choosing font and modify font size. So for that, let me just select a particular sentence. And okay, before that, the default font which is used by MS Word while typing any content is Calibri. Okay, in order to change that font style, you can just copy that particular topic, particular sentence, and you can go to this functionality under Home, this font styles. Okay, if you click this, you can see hundreds of font styles appearing here. So you can just hover over any font style and you can see the particular content is changing according to that font style. Okay, so in our tutorial, let us select Arial because the three most widely used font style in the business scenario is Calibri, Arial, and Times New Roman. The one in the bottom, yeah, here. So just for this tutorial purpose, we'll stick with Arial. Okay, so let me select everyone as Arial. And then the next one is increasing or decreasing font size. So to increase or decrease font size, again I'm selecting the entire sentence and I'm going to the next functionality and I'm clicking the drop down menu. So as I hover over the size, it will automatically increase or decrease as we decrease the size. And also we can include a particular number here, say like only if the font size starts from 8 here. If we want 6, we can also type 6 and click enter. It will automatically go to that font size. And again if say like 33 is not here, between 28 and it is jumping to 36, 33 is not here, again you can type 33 and click enter. Okay, again in a business scenario, 11 is the most widely used font size, so we'll stick with 11. There is another way to increase decrease font size is using these two options, this bigger A and smaller a. As you click on the bigger A, the font size increases by 2 points each, and as I click on the smaller a, it will decrease the font size by 2 points each. So this is a simple way to increase or decrease it. With that, we'll move on to the next functionality. I will highlight it in green color as we finish. The next functionality is use bold, italic, and underline. The use bold, italic and underline is a very basic stuff which we used to do in MS Word. So to make a particular sentence bold, select that sentence and click this B, the bold option. So bold option is widely used to highlight something in a bigger paragraph. Say like if a paragraph contains about 15 to 20 lines, and if you want to highlight something, you can just use this bold option. Okay. For now, I'm deselecting it, and you can choose this italic option. Italic will make your words a little curve. So this is mostly used in when you're putting a note under a paragraph, or putting a postscript under a document, or putting any content under a particular picture. So those are all some of the use cases. And the next one is underline. So again, to select this underline, select a particular sentence and click this U, underline. So underline use case, I would say, is mostly used in the headers. So even if you have seen a particular document, and there will be some header like an introduction, say like an introduction. So this can be highlighted using an underline, and this we can remove this. So this is one of the use cases of using underline. So with that, we'll move on to the next one. Use change case function. Change case function is a very interesting one, I would say. To use change case function, again let me just remove this. Again, I'm selecting the entire paragraph. This is the change case function. So if you click on the drop down menu, you have 5 options. Let me start with lowercase. Before that, just see, we'll first play around with the first sentence alone. So if you see, M is in caps, Y is in caps, T is in caps, and K is in caps. So on selecting lowercase, everything will go into lowercase. Okay, you don't want to get into each sentence. Again, this is a simple sentence, just a 7 word sentence. But just think about a paragraph which is having 200 words, 300 words. So this is one of most important use case. So you can just select that particular paragraph and you can select that lowercase. Likewise, you can also select uppercase, which will keep all the letters into caps. And the next option is capitalize each word. So in this option, each word, the first letter will be caps. Okay, this is very much useful, especially while writing headers. So in most of the time, the headers will have 3 to 4 words, and each word, the first letter will be in caps. So that is the use case. And the next one is toggle case. This is an interesting option. The first letter will be in small and the rest of the letter in that particular word will be in caps. Somehow I never used this option, and I'm not sure about the exact use cases. If anyone knows, please put it in your comment if you have used it during your usage of MS Word. And the last option, the first one, is sentence case. Sentence case is a very simple one which will keep the first letter of that particular sentence as caps and the rest of the words and the letters will be in small. So this is with use change case function. And then the next one is use highlighter and change font color. Use highlighter is something which can be related for whatever we have used during the examination. So during examination, if you're writing a very big paragraph, you want to highlight something. So what we do is just copy this. This is the use highlighter option. So you can just go to the drop down so that you can have multiple options. So there are 15 color options. You can select anything. So again, in the business scenario, most of us choose yellow or green. So to highlight the completed one in green color, the in process in yellow color, and something deviated from the plan is in red color. So these are all some of the use cases which many of us use. So that one is with the highlighter. And with the change font color, again it's a very simple one. Select a particular words where you want to change the font color, and you can go to this option, click on the drop down, and you have multiple options. You can select anything. So most of the time we will choose black, but if you want to change the color, you always have it as an option. So as you see, only this welcome to was selected, and I have changed it into blue color, and again I'll change it into red color. So whatever, it's up to you. Okay, so it's totally your choice. So this one is done, and the last one, use alignment, left, right, center, justify. This is a very interesting option because as part of the formatting, especially in a very huge document, formatting is very important to keep it in a very business relevant. So for those stuff, it is very much important. So these are all those four options. Okay, so this is the left alignment. Again, the default alignment from Word is the left alignment. So you can also change it to center alignment, right alignment, justify alignment. And I would say justify alignment is one of the most important alignment and most widely used alignment again, because what it will do as part of the justify alignment is it will keep the exact spaces in the left hand side and the right hand side. We'll have the common spaces. So if you see here, here, everything starts from the same part of the document and ends in the same part of the document. Since this line ends a little lesser, so it stops here. Otherwise, let me just type here now. My name is la 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 la. So if you see, every line ends in the same part of that document. So that's how the justify alignment works. Otherwise, you can just select this left alignment, but I would recommend you to always use justify alignment in whatever document you're working on. So yeah, so we are done with the 5 functionalities which we planned for this video. So we will see the rest of the functionalities in the upcoming videos. Okay, so with that, till then, see you. Bye. Thank you.